different than the impressed.
Yo, what's up guys, we're here at the Excess Power Show. As you know, we always try to bring out Neo-Ho. We got it here. She's back here. We're gonna walk over here and show you the subs inside of it. So when we got the new subs from Sundown, the new Neo team, we would call them V3s, the Down for Sound edition. It's always like a learning process and progress that you try to learn through with changing subs and trying to make them the best you can. We were running into an issue like blowing the dust caps off because they have so much motor force. We put in a aluminum cap on top of the voice coil so it could not blow the dust cap off. So that's how we fixed it so far. They're doing really good. So that's what we're looking for in the Tahoe. We need to have long longevity so we can keep these demos going all day long. So come check it out. So we have 6 of those fans in the box, so when I'm not demoing, it's pushing air across the subwoofers and cooling them off and bringing the hot air out here and letting it go out into the atmosphere, because once these subs get super hot, it's virtually impossible to try to force air into a box. It's like a force field right here that keeps air from going in there. So this helps cool the subs down in between demo rounds, and that's what makes your longevity as long as possible with subwoofers. You got to keep that voice coil cool. So I am noticing the subwoofer motors are super hot. So that means 2 things. One thing, it means that you're cooling off, that the subs are producing a lot of heat because you have a ton of power on these subwoofers. But 2, the good thing is when you have that heat being soaked up into the motor, and also you can see the fins on the subwoofers, having this air moving past them means you're radiating that heat off. It's almost like a heat sink on an amplifier. You're radiating this heat off, so it makes the subwoofers cool off a lot faster, and this is what you need to keep demos going over and over and over.
Yeah, all my niggas savages, and we do these hoes so scandalous. 9 times out of 10. That mean we the only one left. Niggas think different than the impressed. 9 times out of 10.
That is probably some of the loudest mids I think I've ever heard in my life. It's crazy. It's insane.
Pulled up in the Porsche, pulled off in the race. I saw my old bitch yesterday, you should have seen.
I think another issue that we had with the subwoofers that we got from Sundown when we first got them was the clocking on the back of the subwoofer. So this will be the back plate. If you look in here, I'm going to show you in a second, but the back plate, they were like different angles. So like one would be 12 o'clock, one would be 3 o'clock. So when we mounted them up there, all the logos were flipped over and different things. It was just a little anal thing of mine. It was, I don't know, it was bothering me. So anyway, when we sent them back to have them put the new aluminum pole caps, or the caps on the voice coil. So when they were rushing to put the subs in there, we were in between Scraping the Coast car show and Excess Power. There's only a 2-week span in between there, so we had to take the subs out, ship them to Sundown, let them do the changes on them, and one of the things that they changed was the clocky on the back of it. So they got that fixed, but they just got the subwoofers back yesterday morning, which was Friday morning. They had to get them, take them out, install them, get them all wired up and everything. They literally drove up here really without even playing them. So this is the first time the subwoofers have been played. But they installed one of them upside down, so the one in the middle down there is upside down, but the clocking is right. The other ones, when we first got them, it didn't matter where you put them, they were like all different angles, so that was something that was bothering me. But it's fixed now, so it looks really good right there, so be sure to check it out.
It's amazing. The pressure is just unreal. I've never felt that before.
So we have a kid over here. Let me guess what his name is real quick, actually. Hey, buddy, what's your name? You're on YouTube right now. Dayton? You hold that. You got it? When I give you the thumbs up, you start slowly turning it up, okay? All right. What you think, man? I like it too, man. Man, how old are you? 7. You mean you to tell me you're controlling a 100,000 watt car audio system? And I appreciate you helping me with that. We'll see you next time, okay? Dad has me come out here. Actually, just started another couple of projects with him, so be on the lookout for that. A few really exciting things are in the pipe coming. You'll see a check that I just wrote to Scotty for over $500,000 to get more products coming, these new products that we're coming out with, so I'm very excited about that, and y'all are going to love them, no doubt. So, but that's pretty much it on a recap so far. It's been a good time. I'm about to grab some lunch, but we got Sundown Audio here, we got Excess Power obviously up front, a bunch of our teammates, I guess Team Down for Sound people around through here. You'll see people with Down for Sound on their vehicle, the stickers, wearing the Down for Sound shirts. There's so many people every time we go to these shows that are wearing Down for Sound, buying Down for Sound shirts, apparel, gear. So I greatly appreciate y'all for that and helping me keep this movement going forward. So we'll keep killing it. Have a great one, y'all.
Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.